Welcome back, guys. What's going on? It's a good one. It's a good day. Hope you guys are getting out there and loving each other outdoors. And I got some new stuff to show you. Once again, I'm over here at the Pearl, and let's get this little tour going on. All right, guys, stand by. All right, so they finally finished building whatever they had over here behind the stable hall. Feel like a putt-putt golf thing. Oh, it is. Haha, cool. Check that out, guys. Animal themed putt-putt. That's pretty cool, man. Check this out. They're almost finished out with this building. I don't know what they're gonna make it. Let's go through the glass and see what's inside. Dang, there's a whole bunch of chairs and stuff. All right, guys. This is pretty remarkable considering all the rain we just had this last week. There's my man's over here with the Nigerian food. If you guys like meat, this place is pretty dang good. How you doing, guys?
That's how it looks like. That's how hard it is right now. That's probably
Ah, here he goes, my junior guy. What's going on, guys?
I know. That's why I think it's good. That's like he was a high step in. Yeah. No, little he did not like it.
I'm do something great for myself. I'm gonna go over here and lay out the stretch after running 10 miles this morning. Got all the run buddies out. Yeah. Alright, guys. Oh yeah, all the run buddies are out. All the run buddies. Everybody's out. Alright, good morning, good morning. Alright, that's all I got. I'm gonna take you guys over here to the Pullman on the back side. How you doing, guys? Good morning. all you winos stopped here so y'all can see what's going on.
My sleeping is still.
Quick breakfast stuff. Chicken dinners. Making a chicken right now. Oh, and if y'all don't know, it's a Mexican Coke. Alright.
Wait, somebody's coming. Get away by the way when people are coming. Sorry.
No worries. Okay, guys. Ah, yes. No fear. Just making the smoke for today's barbecue. Oh no, cookies. There goes my friend Daphne. She sells her teas here. Let's zoom in on her. Oh, the guy's in the way. But no worries, no worries. I'm gonna end this one right here, guys. Alright, once again, thank you guys. Sorry about that. Thank you guys for joining me out here on this lovely Saturday morning. I want to make sure that you guys go ahead and get your outdoor therapy and enjoy beautiful summer days if you have them, even if you don't. So, catch you guys on the next one and get some outdoor therapy and love each other. Alright guys, bye.